Hi, I'm Connie Stummel, and I'm with Exit One Stop Realty. I would like to share with you a little bit about why I am part of the Exit family. Let's first talk about the name. The key rule in successful marketing is repetition. Exit is one of the most highly advertised words in the world. The word exit is above every corporate door in America. It's on every highway, airplane, movie theater, you name it. There are over 1 billion of these signs illuminated by law. We see exit all day, everywhere. What does that do to the subconscious mind? Well, our name is repeated in the minds of everyone we are connected with. Now that's marketing genius. Exit is the most highly advertised name in the entire world, and it's ours. It's our name, our brand, and it's even advertised in competing offices. Exit believes in the branding of the individual agents to increase leads. They seek out the latest technology and teach our agents how to use it to complement their business. And we have created a culture much like a family. If an agent becomes better due to these points, they will naturally attract other agents. When this happens, our exit formula rewards that agent through single-level residuals. When an agent sponsors another agent, the residual becomes the third stream of income that now fills that void between closings. Even though you might be happy with your present situation, the smartest business people always want to learn what other opportunities may be available. Understanding how the exit formula works can't hurt you and may help you change your current financial situation for the better. Exit is a proven real estate model that provides new additional income streams plus retirement security for realtors and their families. You might have guessed by now that sponsoring is a way of life at Exit, but it's the third stream of income, a financial reward for helping grow the company. Exit Realty is a real estate company first and foremost. Our agents are groomed to be the best in the local market. However, the power of the third dimension, the residual, is huge. An Exit agent who sponsors 5 new agents in 1 year can receive up to $50,000 in additional income year after year. This additional income can help build your retirement and provide beneficiary earnings for your family. Does it work? You be the judge. It was recently announced that Exit hit $250 million paid in single-level residuals to our associates for helping build the company. This number continues to increase at an astounding rate every year. Perhaps you're not yet thinking of retirement, but you may be interested in the residual income for a vacation, a new car, your children's college fund, or to help support aging parents. What could you do with your extra money? Now think about it. Typical realtors are only as good as their last sale and leave their real estate career with only memories when they retire. When you stop, the money stops. How much retirement income will you be receiving from your present real estate company? We are destined to become the largest, most productive real estate company in the world. Exit Realty is growing. You owe it to yourself to take a closer look. Thousands of agents across the country are making the decision each and every month to secure their future because the concept makes sense. And oh yeah, try not to notice the exit signs. Feel free to contact me. I look forward to hearing from you. Again, my name is Connie Stummel, and I am part of the Exit family.